it's me again in a video making a tutorial. So I'm not mad. Let's go make a tutorial. So first, guys, like and subscribe to the channel that you cannot miss another video. I will make a part to make that this will be different tutorial that will be making a puppet. Now the next one part is making play now part for making a shuriken. That's the end of the videos of parts. So let's go start it. So I will use now a different paper. Not this paper. It's so destroyed. I will be right back in a video. So I'm back. No paper. It's gonna be fun. Let's start. God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I was making this. So my kuya teach me. And let's just start making. And now it's not almost done. This is about now. It's like a pen. So I'm not put it like this. It's gonna now. It's gonna be taking a while. Oh, not a few minutes. So I'm just making a video. I'm just making this. It's like a bowl, but you need to fold it. So you need to make this like a hat, and you will not make a hat. I will not make a hat. Let's go. Let's start. I made it because you know how I made it. It looks like a hat. A party hat. Yeah. So, diba it's like this. I'm gonna do it. So I don't know. I can make a puppet. That will be easy. It's on part 2. So wait it for I upload it into part 2. It will be made of face mask. So, you see, it's now this. It will be like a face mask. Look at your face mask. Now, look at this. I did this. I just did this. Well, when it was made it look like a box, so I did this to the box. I did this. So you see this. Oh, you see this moving. I did this. So, boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. And make it like a plane, but it's not a plane. Make it like a ball. Make it like a pyramid. And now, to this. If you see this on, this will be like and do this. Do this. This it. I did that. Squishing it to pieces. Now it's look like a mini one. And now for the open it like this. I'm gonna fix, and then make it really like you can see it. Now look, it looks like a spike. Yes, a play, a boat I making. I'm gonna end it. So bye bye. This is I'm gonna end it on 59.